These ice skates are perfect for the beginner in their beginning of their journey. It is durable, it is very padded, but it's very rigid in order to give you balance and stability when you're skating. As you can see, they're really, really well made, and every detail is taken care of. And what's perfect about these skates is that they come in many, many sizes. These are specifically for women, and they are the classic white um, all-time favorite. Let's take this cover off because the Ultima Mark 1 blades are very sharp and they come very, very sharp from the factory. So you got to be very, very careful when handling this as you take it out of the box. And these skates are ready to skate. So all you have to do is put them on. Of course, select the right size, put them on, and on to skate you are. As you see, this is very sturdy. It's the blade is connected to the PVC bottom that is connected to the vinyl sidings that are really, really, really well padded, really, really well made, and you're gonna have hours and hours of enjoyment with this great skates.